The main purpose na kinakandak natin ito is to ensure na sana yung mga passage or mobility of the persons with disabilities ay hindi na-obstruct but they can freely access the buildings, the services of that institution without any barriers. And aside from that, ma-ensure din yung kanilang safety. We only recommend, we suggest sa mga ating mga establishments and institutions who are non-compliant or nakita natin na hindi sila compliant based doon sa monitoring tool na ginagamit natin.